I'm making you into the bed since you won't get up. So, if you don't want to get made into the bed, get up. Hey! Get off of the bed. Get off. It is 12:30. I want to go to bed. I want to make a bed. I'm not picking you up. Get up.
Hold me up.
No, nobody's going to help you up. All right? You can get up. You're a big boy.
That's rude. No, stop.
That's rude.
Here, pull me up.
I'm not pulling you.
I'm almost pulling me all the way up.
That's it. That's all you get.